All right, so I'm going to show you guys a cool tool that you guys can use to do your work, especially for those of you that have a touch screen. This might be something that you're interested in using instead of having to print out worksheets and doing it with paper and pencil. So to do this, you will need the extension on Google Chrome called Kami. So to get that extension, just type in Kami extension. And then the first link on that page will be the thing that you need to go to. And then you will click this button over here that will say add extension. Mine says remove because I've already have it added to my Google Chrome. And then once it's been added, you will see a K up here. Now, sometimes I've noticed, depending on the computer that you're in, you might need to close out your browser to really use it. And then open it back up because sometimes it needs to kind of like get itself situated in a new browser. So once you have that downloaded, though, any worksheet that I assign to you guys, you can kind of do through this Kami type thing. So in our lesson today, it's going to give you a link to the worksheet. And once you click on it, you might instantly take you to this Word document. So if you don't want to do the work in this document, first things first, you want to obviously is make a copy of this or save this document somewhere in one of your folders, and then go to Kami and open up that document. The first time that you go to this, it may ask you to log in with your Google account name, but if not, it'll instantly take you to a page like this. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open wherever this document that I saved from my Google Drive. So I saved it in my geometry class under this lesson, lesson 1. And here's where I saved it. So I'm going to open that up. And since you made a copy for this and you saved this into your computer, you don't need to create your own file. But just in case it's not allowing you to do any work on this, if you come up to here and it says create your own copy, and it's processing, it takes a little bit, then it'll be for sure, I know it's your copy and it'll allow you to edit, to write, to do whatever you want on it. So once you have it opened up, you will see over here, there's a bunch of different tools you can do, from text boxes, blurbs, marking things up, equation editors. So if you needed to, type in squared, things like that, drawing, shapes, you name it, they have it. So I kind of like using this drawing tool to do my math. So if I click on this, I can, because I happen to have a touch screen, I can draw hearts. You can change, right now it's very light because I was highlighting something in a previous thing. So if I wanted to change the transparency, I can just drag this thing up to make it a little bit darker. You can change the thickness of the line to be more like a pen, and etc. And then if you need to erase, it's very easy. Just touch the screen, hit the erase button, and then erase whatever you need. Once you have this written like so, you'll go over here, you'll click unsaved changes, and then save it to whatever folder. So right now this is going to like my Kami upload folder, but I'm going to want to move it. Again, I'm going to put it back into the folder that I got it from. And I'm going to select, oops, I'm going to go back one, this folder to move it to. And then I'll rename it, whatever you want. So right now it says my name on it, but I'm going to rename it to CS.1 answer key, which is going to be in a few minutes once I'm done creating this video for you guys. So this is Kami. This is just an option to use. If you don't want to use it, that is totally fine. But I just thought I would share this with you. Have a good one.